In business, knowing the difference between what you spend to make something and what you sell it for is the key to profitability. Profit isn't just about revenue, it is the simple math of unit price minus unit cost. Unit cost is what leaves your pocket to create the item, while unit price is what enters your pocket when a customer buys it. If your unit cost is $60 and you sell for $100, your gross profit per unit is $40. Focusing on unit cost is essential when you are in a crowded market where raising prices would drive customers away. Focusing on unit price allows you to capture more value if your brand has a strong reputation or unique features. Calculating your margin percentage helps you understand your business health regardless of how many units you sell. Remember, keep your costs low and your value high to ensure long-term sustainability. Master these two metrics to keep your business in the green. Subscribe for more business basics and save this video for your next review.